Hello everyone. Let me walk you through my project. What I have done is first uh, here actually it will be my project. What I have done is it will bring the various questions from the code shape on the basis of the rating that we have mentioned, and the question is entirely brought by the Cheerio package of npm because I have done here web scraping and I didn't use the API here. So here the questions are brought from the a scrap from the Codeforces site directly into my UI. So let me walk you through my UI. Uh, so here is the basic entry page. I mean the page before the entry. You can see the CSS effect and all. So let me enter, and after entering, so here you can enter the rating. On the basis of rating, it will scrap. So what I have done here is first on entering the rating, it will go to the A2OJ platform. So let me once walk you through the A2OJ ladder. A2OJ ladder. It will first go to the A2OJ ladder, and on the basis of the rating which you have entered, it will search. Suppose you have entered 1200, so it will either go here or go here. And suppose it goes here, and I have mentioned the probability of equal probability that it has both the chance of going upwards and in the downward direction, and it can fetch any problem from here, and it will go directly to the it will redirect to the Codeforces platform, and from here it will fetch the problems as well as input and the output. So let us see. Suppose let me give the rating of 1200 and get the problem. And one thing before it, you need to install this one, otherwise it will give course error. Mosif's course of Google Chrome, it's a Google Chrome extension, otherwise it may give you a course error. So it needs to be installed on the Chrome. Yeah, the problem came 1200. This problem came. Any random problem it will fetch. Not exactly it will fetch the first problem. It will fetch any random problem of ratings of 1200 means less than one. According to this ladder, the rating is less than 1300. So it can be less than 1300, but not exactly 1200. It can be any rating less than 1300. So let me go to this problem. You can also see the problem input and the output statement from here. Let me go to the problem. Yeah, as you can see, the problem rate is less than 1300, which I have told. And now let us try to submit the solution of this problem through automation. So first, let me grab the solution of the problem. So I need to grab the solution of the problem, then I will submit. You can also do on yourself and then submit. So let me first grab the solution. So let me grab the solution of the problem. So let's apply the filter. I think the problem name was LLPS. Let me see once. 202A. I think it was LLPS. Let me confirm. Yeah, it is 202A LLPS. Let me grab any C++ solution. C++ accepted. Let me grab any accepted solution. Yeah, so let me grab this solution. Any C++ accepted solution. Okay. Okay, let me grab this. And when you solve, you do it in your editor, and what you have to do is you need to paste it in your code.txt. So let me paste it in the code.txt, and then after that what you need to do now, the automation will work and the headless Chrome will start. I have used the Puppeteer package here of npm. So at first you have to write write node and then the name of the JavaScript file, that is auto, and then your username. First argument comes your username, then you have to type your password. So I have created a fake account to show you the demo, and let me type the password. And then you have to write, I have written here first ID, then password, then problem link. By the way, what is the problem link? 202A, and then the email on which you want to get your confirmation message. Problem 202A. Problem 202A. So it will start the headless Chrome. Yeah, it has started. It will automatically submit. You can see that Chrome is being controlled by automated test software on the top. So submitting, and the status is accepted, the top one. And let me see what they are give. Actually, the confirmation of mail will come after few time. Yeah, the mail has been sent, and now let me check in this mail ID whether the mail has been actually sent or not. So let me open the mail ID. Let me refresh. Refresh again. Taking time due to some net issue. Yeah, you can see yeah, the mail also, this also page is created by me, the Codeforces status mailer, and yeah, you can see the status is accepted. This is the problem name and this is the problem link, and on opening the link you can again go to the same problem. And suppose if you don't want to send the mail again and again, then you just have to omit this mail ID and only pass up to this much. That is your user ID of Codeforces, your password, and the problem which you want to solve, and the solution you need to paste it in the code.txt and just type this one, and it will automatically submit your solution. Yeah, so this was all about my project. Thank you.